Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And tonight we are gonna sleep in my camper, and I am going to be sleeping with my brother. And we'll do a part 2 of in the morning. So this is at night, and we got all this set up. We got this whole setup. We didn't really unpack it yet. We just kind of shoved it above the couch. Might follow that up. I mean, one thing, at least it's not all, like, that'd be bad. And I also got my fridge that I'm going to be working with. And
Tony, where can my shoes go?
I got my little table with all the stuff that we need for camping is on.
Tony,
Even a little DVD player on top.
I'll put my shoes somewhere.
So
I'll put my shoes somewhere.
that is basically it, kind of. Oh, I'll do a part 2 to it, okay? Bye!